is a great day. I have secured tickets para sa Game 4, PBA Game 4, Ginebra versus Token Text. Ginebra! Ginebra! Ready na tayo, oh. With Auntie. Matching shirt. Anything is possible. Alright, see you in Ares! Alright, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang mall in Antipolo. Drop off muna natin si Amara and si
medium lang ako.
Yan,
Para medium lang ako nito.
O kasi payat na kasi. So yun, drop off muna natin si Amara and si Lola kasi hindi pwede si Amara sa Inares niya. Malapit lang naman na to eh. So tara! Ginebra! Ginebra! Si Auntie, payat oh. You're rocking the Anything is Possible shirt ha. Alright. Wala nang parking. Puno na yung Inares. Siyempre, final si Game 4 PBA. So, ang layo ng parking namin. Maglalakad pa. Tapos ito pang si Auntie nyo. Nagutom. Siyempre, hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner eh. So, yan. Bili muna kami sa clip ng food. Tapos lakad na kami pa Inares. Alright. Here we come. Inares. Game 4, baby. Alright. Baon. Sana mapasukin. Alright. Okay. Alam nyo ba? Bata pa lang ako. Ang household namin, Barangay Ginebra na. Ayan. Panahon pa ni Big J, ni Jawo, Coach Jawo. Loli Locsin, The Tank, The Flash Baldavid. Yan, The Prince Ison. Wilmer Ong, Benny Cheng. Yan, at ano na lang kami, pamilyang Barangay Ginebra, tatay ko, ate ko. Ito lang mga pamilya ko ngayon. Ito si Auntie Ben at mga bata. Hindi namulat sa sports to mga to eh. Hindi sila nahilig sa basketball sa PBA. Dati noon, visit pa ako sa Alaska Pure Foods noon kasi ang lakas, laging tinatalo yung Ginebra. Eh ang Ginebra, nagcha-champion lang naman yun pag malakas yung import eh. Anyways, never say die. That's the spirit. Ito, papasok na kami. Sana mapapasok kami. May food kami.
Bawa na po kayo sa akin. Bawa na po. Panganay.
Got our tickets. Dahil ang tao.
Bag lang po.
Saan yung malapit sa Ginebra? Sa likod ng Ginebra?
Papunin ka lang po. Papunin.
Ma'am, dito po lang.
Good. We're good. Ginebra. Monday. Matching shirt. Anything is possible. Never say die. Yes! Anywhere. Any orange sheet. Hi there, young athletes, and to all sports parents, mommies and daddies. Let me take a quick break from that video. If you are into sports or wanting to know more about basketball and volleyball, come join us in our skills training camp. PASA East Pass and Shoot Academy, PASA East, and Filipino Volleyball, FBA East. If you want to learn more about basketball and volleyball, come visit and join us in our skills training camp. Let's master the fundamentals. Let's master the basics and work our way up for improvement. We're not just only teaching the skills, but we're also building the character of these young aspiring athletes. So if you want to join us, you can visit our camp for a one-day trial. Let's see if the camp is a good fit. Let's test the waters. If you're ready, The link is in the description box. And if you're enjoying this kind of conversation, hit the subscribe button. Maraming salamat po. Auntie, how was it? How's the experience?
Wala pa nga. Experience
Wala.
agad.
So far, aga pa tayo bukas. Alam na eh. Yes!
Never say die.
Wow! And one! All down si Eram! Bye! Good. Yes!
Harapan na yan. Outside.
Hunted! Yes! And one! Ginebra! Good! Russell K.
Ano kasi ba?
Yun! Uwian na! Uwian na! Uwian! Yeah! Yeah! Oh! Ginebra!
Never say die.
Alright. 1 minute 12 seconds. Lamang ang Ginebra, 78.92. So, labas na kami. Kasi nilabas na si ano eh. Si Jefferson, fouled out na si si Eram. Sa Ginebra na to, game 4. Alright. Baka magka-stampede eh. Yes! Maybe game 5. Baka Araneta. Alright, so punta na kami kay Amara, sundin na namin. Congrats Ginebra. Game 4 sa atin. Tide series all 2. Right. It was a great ball game. Game 4 sa Barangay Ginebra. Ayan, PBA Finals. Lumabas na kami. May mga 1 minute pa lang. Lumabas na kami kasi malayo parking namin. Lakad pa kami ni Auntie Bid. So ang ganda na nilaro ng Ginebra. They control the boards. Ang ganda ng defensive stop nila. Si Boy Eram na fouled out. Yung si Jefferson, yung import ng token text. Ang ganda yung mga defensive stop ng ng Ginebra. At pumutok sila sa 3-point percentage nila. Okay, pumutok si Alonso. So there, game 4 goes to Ginebra. How I wish na kasama ko sana yung mga players natin para na-experience nila itong game na to. But soon, yan, nakasama na natin sila. Alright, bukas naman we have a game 2 of Pasay East. Boys, we'll see you in the court. Uwi na, sundin na namin si Amara.